Hello my cupcakes, I hope you're all well. Today's lesson is about the farm animals and what products they gives us. So our first farm animal is cow. Cow. Let's see what cow gives us. The cow gives us milk. Milk. So a cow gives us milk. It gives us also cheese. A cow gives us cheese. Also, it gives us meat. Meat. And last thing, it gives us yogurt. Yogurt. A cow gives us yogurt. The second farm animal is chicken. 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 Chicken gives us eggs. It gives us eggs. Chicken gives us eggs. Also, it gives us chicken meat. Chicken meat. And the last farm animal is sheep. Sheep. Sheep gives us lamb chops, which is meat, and